Hello everyone, I'm Vijaya, your chemistry tutor. Today I'm going to discuss with you about second question, that is define the following terms in the first chapter, introduction and terminology. If you did not watch my videos, links are given in the description box. Please watch them first. The following terminology is very important to know for the better understanding of medicinal chemistry, which includes drugs, pharmacy, pharmacology, pharmacophore, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, and metabolites. Let us discuss about them one by one. Drug. Drug is defined as the chemical which influences the physiological or biochemical activities of the living cells, which are used to diagnose, prevent, and treat a disease. Therapeutically useful drugs are called medicines. Pharmacy is a branch of science and technology involving the selection, identification, standardization, preparation, and distribution of the medicines. Pharmacology is the branch of science which deals with the study of interaction of the drugs with the living system. Pharmacophore is a part or moiety of the drug molecule which is essential for the drug molecule to interact with the specific target receptor. For example, here the gray color one is a drug molecule and which is having some moieties here. With the help of these moieties, it can interact with the target site. Pharmacodynamics is a branch of science which deals with the study of the biological as well as therapeutic actions of the drugs in the body, which helps in the elucidation of mechanism of the drug reactions. That means how the drug interact with the receptors and ionic channels, enzymes, immune system, etc. Here, this is a schematic three-dimensional structure of the animal cell which is having a strong hydrophobic layer, that is plasma membrane, and there are the hook-like structures are there. These are called receptors. First, the drug molecule will interact with the binding sites of the receptors and then which passes through ionic channels in order to enter into the cytoplasm of the cell. And this cytoplasm contains Golgi bodies, mitochondria, etc. And then entered drug molecule will interact with the enzymes, then immune system. All this process can be studied under the heading of pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetics is a branch of science which deals with the study of rate of the drug after it has been administered. In short, how the living system interact with the drug during the process of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Metabolites are defined as the enzyme-mediated biotransformed products. For example, the drug entered into the cell, it's subject to react with the enzymes. And these enzymes converts the biologically inactive drug molecules into a biologically active molecules called metabolites, and this process is called metabolism which carries in the liver. Thank you.